Inko, inko, oh inko, 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 oh inko, inko.
Good evening mga kasurog. Ito pa rin po ang inyong Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Hatid sa inyo ng Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na kasurog pa. Huling laro po ng ating pagbubukas ng ating quarterfinals. Ito po sa Ako Bicol Cup 2022. At literal na hindi mahulugan ng karayom ang ating venue dahil punong-puno po yung mga bleachers natin ng mga spectators. Kung sakaling hindi man ninyo or hindi man kayo makapasok dahil puno na nga, we have a live broadcast naman po sa Facebook para sa inyong lahat. Kaya welcome po sa lahat na nandito, nakasama natin ngayon. Nandito pa rin kami sa loob ng LIGAO City Gymnasium sa Sunflower Capital of Albay. Walang iba kundi ang LIGAO City. Welcome po sa inyong lahat, and we now head on sa ating Game 3 matchup ngayong gabing ito, araw ng Sabado, tapatan ng Daraga laban sa Libon. As we take a look at the key players of both teams, let's first start with Dazzle Paul Aspe of Daraga and Christian Daguro naman of Libon. Sino sa dalawang magagaling na playmakers na ito ang mag-uuwi ng panalo para sa kanyang kupunan? Once again, ako po ang inyong kapartner na si Morgan, and kasama ko syempre ang nag-iisa, ang walang kupas. Very enthusiastic pa rin talaga sa Ako Bicol Cup. Of course, we have Coach Kyle Marilla.
Siguro merong kupas na because we are down to our main game, the Game 3 sa ating triple header para sa special edition, the second round edition of Ako Bicol Cup 2022. This is the most highly anticipated matchup, Daguro kontra kay Aspe.
Yun na nga, kaya wag na nating patagalin. Ipasa na natin ang bola kay Carmela. Carmela.
Magandang gabi mga kasurog, at live na live pa din tayo dito sa LIGAO City Gymnasium, and we are already in our second round, the quarterfinals ng Ako Bicol Cup 2022. And for our third matchup game, the last matchup game for tonight, this is between Daraga versus Libon. Kaya wag na natin itong patagalin pa because this will be an exciting game. At live na live din tayo sa Ako Bicol Partners page, Ako Bicol TV, at sa page ni Representative Zaldico. And we encourage you to support us by hitting the like, share button para naman maging updated kayo at mapanood ang ating live broadcast in different places around the world. Balik sa inyo, Coach Morgs at Coach Kyle.
Maraming salamat, beautiful Carmela Hernandez. At partner, Coach Kyle, pahapyawan natin muna ang naging standing ng ating mga manlalaro sa ating first round ng Ako Bicol Cup 2022.
Yeah, unahin natin dyan. The powerhouse team right now is Team Daraga with 4-0 sa kanilang standing sa second district. Pagdating naman dito sa Team Libon, because of the magic, the multiple times that they come back from a big deficit and winning the game, they are the second seed para sa third district. Natalo nila yung Pulangi in that matchup sa first round, but because of that goal difference sa tiebreaker, they will stick to that second seed.
Alright, and pahapyawan din natin uli yung ating tournament format.
Yeah, for our tournament format again, we have 18 teams para sa ating Ako Bicol Cup. They are divided into 3 brackets and 3 district ng Albay 1st, 2nd, and 3rd district. But maglalaro sila for a single round robin, and for the second round, the top 2 teams in each district will advance to this second round, and of course the top 4 will advance to the semis, and the 2 winning teams from the 2 semi-final matchup will advance to the championship round and will try to get that crown.
Wow. All right. So it's Conqueror's Conquest ang ating headline sa ating pangatlong bakbakan sa ating Ako Bicol Cup 2022. What to expect, partner, dito sa labanang ito?
Definitely, this is all about the game story, the conqueror's conquest. Parehas na kupunan, parehas conqueror because they are building an empire dito sa ating Ako Bicol Cup 2022, especially to this Team Daraga with 0 loss sa kanilang first round. And ito naman na Team Libon, they showed up kung gaano sila ka-resilient para bumalik sa pagkakabaon sa first round.
At para mas malaman ng ating mga manonood ang chances ng both teams sa larong ito, well, pahapyawan natin yung kanilang team stats. Coach, para sa Team Daraga.
Alright, unahin natin yung Team Daraga sa kanilang stats. By the stats, this is a powerhouse team. Their first round averages 102 points per game. So meaning to say, if they are scoring very well, they're most likely winning the game. And syempre, 79 points allowed. And in that game, that 4 games sa kanilang first round, pwera lang dun, except lang sa Team Legazpi. Pero yung 3 games na yon, almost, they are limiting the team from 80 below. And syempre, meron din silang 19 assists per game. They are moving the ball so well. That is why everybody is contributing for them.
So base sa mga stats na yan, ganun pa rin ba ang mangyayari now that nasa quarterfinals na tayo at ayan, makakalaban nga nila yung Libon? Well, alamin natin ang mga dagdag na detalye kay Carmela.
Yes, Coach Morgs and Coach Cal, Team Daraga has 4 wins and 0 loss. And according to Coach Tads Delgado, na kahit daw wala pa silang talo during elimination round, ay hindi pa din sila magiging kampante. At magfo-focus pa din daw sa kanilang play style dahil all teams na nakapasok ngayong second round are also aiming to be the champion. Kaya ibuboost pa din daw nila ang kanilang magkakaya at kanilang efforts at best para sa laban ito. Back to the panel.
Maraming salamat, Carmela. Andaw, pag-usapan naman natin yung stats ng Libon.
Yeah, this Team Libon is the dark horse of the Ako Bicol Cup. Nobody is expecting for them to make a jump papasok sa second round.
Yes, indeed.
Pero definitely, they make them wrong sa kanilang perception on their team because this team is a proud and very resilient team.
Yes, and para din sa mga dagdag na detalye about Team Libon, nandito pa rin ang ating courtside babe na si Miss Carmela Hernandez.
Yes, Coach Morgs and Coach Cal, Team Libon is now known as the dark horse, and according to Coach Justin Tobilio, ay medyo nagkaka-overwhelmed daw na matawag na dark horse. Pero hindi pa din daw nila makakalimutan ng pagiging humble because this time, this quarterfinals ay iba na and this is not easy anymore. Kaya gagawin pa daw nila ang kanilang best and 100% para sa kanilang second round. Balik sa inyo, Coach Morgs at Coach Cal.
And once again, thank you very much, Miss Carmela Hernandez. And dito na tayo sa ating key player matchup. For Team Daraga, we have Dazzle Paul Aspe.
Yeah, Dazzle Paul Aspe with their last performance against Team Legazpi. He tallied a 25 points, 6 rebounds, and 7 assists. Definitely a very good outing. He distributing the ball so well para nga makakonekta ng puntos para sa kanilang koponan.
Ayan, yan po si Dazzle Paul Aspe. At para naman sa kabilang banda, ang Team Libon, we have Christian Daguro.
Well, I'm not wrong to call this a court general battle. Christian Daguro kontra sa Team Uwas. 33 big points with 3 rebounds, 4 assists, and 3 steals. Aabangan natin. This is a very good matchup, Daguro kontra kay Aspe.
And a very exciting one. Kaya para madagdagan yung excitement, nandito magbabalik si Carmela Hernandez with these 2 playmakers. Kasama niya ngayon.
Kasama na natin ang key players ng both teams. Walang iba kundi si Paul Aspe from Daraga at si Christian Daguro from Libon. So Christian, matanong lang namin, how do you feel right now na nakapasok kayo sa quarterfinals?
Sobrang saya namin kasi ang dami nag-expect na hindi naman kami makakaabot dito sa quarterfinals, pero ngayon nandito kami dahil sa hard work namin.
May gusto ka bang batiyan o pasalamatan?
Pinapasalamatan ko yung mga taga-Libon, si Mayor. Binabati ko yung family ko sa Manila, yung family ko sa Bulacan, yung mother ko nasa Kuwait na palagi nanonood sa akin. Tsaka yung mga boss ko sa Pandakan, yung Magneto, yung Pandakan Asphalt, tsaka yung Ipimalto. Tsaka yung... Okay.
Thank you, Christian. And Paul, so how do you feel right now na nakapasok kayo at may sure na slot na kayo dito sa ating second round, which is the quarterfinals?
Sobrang saya namin individual kasi yung hard work namin sa laro, merong pinatunguhan, nakabot kami ng quarterfinals at hindi namin to inaasahan kasi kundi nagtrabaho lang kami bawat isa. Yan lang po.
May gusto ka bang batiyan or any shoutouts?
Binabati ko po yung family ko sa Sorsogon, sila Lola Elsa, sila Ate Maying, at sa Manila sila Auntie Kate, sila Lola nanonood, sila Lolo, sila Mama Papa, yun lang po.
Thank you, Pao. Thank you, Christian. And good luck. Bilig sa inyo, Coach Morgs at Coach Kai.
And maraming salamat, Carmela. Ba't kinikilig ka, Coach?
Wala lang.
Ayan, ay bigyan na natin ang ating oras sa ating arena announcer na si John Russell Porlas.
And this is the second round of the inaugural season of Bicol Cup 2022. Brought to you by Congressman Sal Bicol and ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na, kasurong pa. And this is the third match of tonight's triple header for your Sweet Six Trophy. Now, let's meet our protagonists. First, from your team, DARAGA. At guard, number 13, Renzo Yatero. At forward, number 14, Joey Almaizag. At center, number 23, Jay Jodor. At forward, number 12, JJ Glassman. And at guard, number 91, Russell Glassman. And coach, that's Delgado. And now for your team, LIBON. At guard, number 18, Andrew Siak. At forward, number 12, Joshua Aguirre. At forward, number 7, Eric Salupado. At center, number 30, Neil Cabrillos. And at guard, number 10, Christian Daguro. And Coach J.R. Salcedo. Our game officials are Jason Muhar, Chris Sigat, and William Gonzalez.
At eto na nga ang inaabangan nyo, Daraga versus Libon dito po sa Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Sa ating starting lineup. And now, didiretso na tayo siguro sa tip-off natin. Yon, makukuha ng, well, that ball went out. Wala sa tip ni itong si Gadon for Daraga sana. So it will be Libon's ball.
First quarter.
Ayan na, si Aguirre. To Neil Cabrillos. Daguro! Unang attempt. Kinapos yung tira. So, mapupunta sa mga taga-Daraga ngayon ang bola.
Now they have the chance to get the first crack here sa ating scoring.
Yantero. Medyo malakas lang yung 3-point shot na yon. Cabrillos. And nakasungkit ng foul sa kanyang unang attempt sa ball game
Si
nito.
Renzo Liantero, the defensive guy ng Team Daraga. The most efficient in terms of defense is Renzo Liantero.
And he didn't like that call.
And I'm expecting him to defend. This will be the guy to defend Daguro. Si Renzo Liantero.
And of course, Cabrillos making his first shot. Wala yung pangalawang tira. Rebound, Gadon. Dassel Paul Aspe. Setting the play. Unang attempt ni Aspe. Wala. Nakuha ng mga Tagalibo ng bola. Eto na tumatakbo. Daguro stops and pops. Short. Liantero, may tanga ng bola para sa Daraga. Tumira, pero that shot was a bit deflected. Aguirre.
Right now, Team Daraga might have a little bit of rustiness because ang tagal nitong namahinga.
Oo, matagal silang namahinga.
Almost 2 weeks na hindi sila nakapaglaro here because nga waiting na sila sa top seed ng 2nd District.
And right now, talagang pinapakiramdaman pa nila ang bawat isa. That's a big rebound by Albaitar. Caspe! From the corner, wala. We are expecting a lot of 3-pointers from this guy sa larong ito.
Yung
Daguro.
record niya, na-beat na kanina ni Lumberio.
And that's a great pass mula kay Daguro, pero his teammate couldn't make that one. Aspe! Wala pa rin! Mukhang walang butas ang ring para sa Daraga.
And so, to Team Libon, just 1
Ganun
point.
din, oo. 1 point pa din.
Almost 2 minutes having gone by sa ating first quarter. Nagtatansyahan pa ang magkabilang kupunan.
Pero who made the maraming attempts? I think it's Daraga.
It's Daraga because they have the 2 offensive rebounds.
Yes. And right now they have another chance. Pero hindi na salo yun eh.
And right now, these 2 teams are playing sloppy basketball.
sabi nila, pero ano ba nangyayari dito? Ano ba nangyayari sa atin?
Just, hindi pa nga nakakascore pero yung fans nagsisigawan na.
Oo.
Dala pa lang yung bola. That's how exciting this ball game is.
Doon, umatake! Yes! Yun na.
That's the first basket for Team Daraga.
That's the first blood for Daraga. Brought to you by Willie and Sons. We make things together. Now Daguro setting the play for Team Libon.
He's calling for an horn play. Two ball screen yung dapat. That's a broken play.
And that's a 3-point shot made. No, not dito kapos. Pero nandun yung si Aguirre.
That's
Your
my
man.
guy.
Your man.
The daredevil, Joshua Aguirre for the Team Libon.
And now Caspe launching a 3. Yes! I told you this guy will hit threes in this game. And that 3-point shot was brought to you by Inco Tools, Legazpi, Sorsogon, and Naga.
And again, ang Daguro asking for a horn play. This will be a double screen pero broken play once more.
Tapos yung tirang yun, pero nandun siya to follow it up.
Tool sequence, may miscommunication on the offense ang Libon. Twice tumawag ng horn play si Daguro. That will be a double screen on top pero a lot of miscommunication right now on Team Libon.
Hindi nila na-execute yung hinihingi ni Dagurong play.
Yeah.
Substitution, Eri Chopi for.
And that's quite disappointing sa part ni Daguro.
So, yung opensa will be broken because yung alam ng dalawa on top, Carvillos and Daguro, they know that what is that play, pero yung teammates nila mukhang hindi nakaka-catch up sa kanilang dalawa.
Pero nandun si Aguirre sa loob. Nawala yung bola kay Paes. Nakuha ni Reynancia to Aguirre. Aguirre almost losing that one. Daguro, sabi niya, ilabas ko muna. Sandali. Aguirre. Reynancia. Wala. Ayan na ngayon si Chope. Tumatakbo. Wala din. Na-rebound ni Reynancia ang bola para sa Libon. Aguirre. Umatake. Kontra Albaitar. Masyadong matangkad yung kalaban na china-challenge niya.
Right now, in terms of size, definitely the size is on the side of Team Daraga. As we take a look at this replay, maganda yung ikot ko ni Aguirre selling that foul to the referee. But right now, if you are Team Libon, maganda yung ginagawa nila. Early offense, that's their ball game. Well, sabi nga ni Coach Ranjing, bakit mo pa aayusin yung mga bagay na hindi mo naman sira?
Oo, tama.
You just have to play your game. If you are Team Libon right now, because of the size of Team Daraga, you cannot afford to set them on defense kasi mahihirapan ka attacking their heart.
Dapat unahan mo sila with your offense.
Nakita naman natin yung transition nila is pretty good. With Casil, Siyat, and Daguro running the break.
Yes, but this guy, itong si Aspe, pagka nag-click na yung mga feed nito sa kanyang kakampi, aba ibang usapan na yan. Pero mukhang malamya yung naging play na yon. So scored po natin 5-4. Legazpi leading this ball game by 1. Daguro for 3. Yes! Unang puntos ni Mr. Composure sa larong ito. And time out dyan ang Daraga. What a shot there from Daguro.
The battle right now. Sino ang mas maraming magic on their bag? Is it Aspe or Daguro? But right now, nakita natin with that shot of Daguro, siya nakauna dito
Yes.
sa matchup na to.
Pero napaka-early to say.
Yeah.
You know, we are just on our first quarter and ilang minuto pa lang po ang nakukonsumo natin. Pero tama naman yung ginawa ng Daraga na pinigil ka agad. Who knows, baka mag-rally itong Libon early on and they don't want that to happen. So magbabalik po tayo sa ating ball game. 5.45 sa ating game clock sa unang quarter ng laban. So lamang na po ang Libon with 2 points. 7-5 ball possession ng Daraga. Aspe setting the play. Gives it to Chope. Chope now to Aspe. Being hounded by Aguirre. Now, it's Aspe. Wala pa rin. Nako, sayang yung tirang yon. And almost a steal back.
Everybody's reacting to that last sequence. That's a good ball. Kahit pa nasa labas ka na, basta yung katawan mo ay nasa loob ng court and you save the ball, mag-bounce ulit siya sa court at nasa loob ka na when you get that ball, that's good.
That's still good. Daguro now. Looking for a teammate. Reynancia fakes. Dumiretso pa loob! Yes! That's a nice play from this guy, Mr. Clutch.
In that last
Reynancia.
game of Libon kontra sa UAS, no Reynancia, no problem.
Yeah.
Pero right now, kailangan nila ang serbisyo ni Reynancia.
And that's a good find from Gadon to Chope. Para naman sa Daraga. Score natin is 9-7. Lamang po ang Libon. Nakawala yung bola pero mananatili po ito sa mga taga
13
Libon.
seconds on the shot clock.
Daguro. Binigyan ng screen ni Cabrillos. Cabrillos asking for the ball. At yun na nga. We've been seeing that play mula pa noon ang start yung Ako Bicol Cup. From Daguro to Cabrillos.
Caspe open from the wing.
Wala yung tirang yun Caspe. Nakuha ng mga taga-Libon ng bola. To Reynancia from the outside. Nope. Pero nandun yung kanyang mga kakampi. Aguirre giving it back to Reynancia for another 2-pointer. That's a reverse layup.
Reynancia silencing the crowd.
And that's a long three! Yes!
What a rainbow!
From Caspe with love.
Oh my God, that's a high looping three and nothing but the bottom of the net.
Gumanti naman itong si Daguro pero wala yung tirang yon. Ayan na, kinakalabaw nitong si Cabrillos ang mga malalaking mama sa loob.
At nagkagawan sila ng bola doon.
Di na tayo magkarinigan dito.
What a shot, almost from the logo.
Yes, almost from the logo. And that long 3-point shot was brought to you by Yashano Mall, where shopping is always affordable.
Just, oh my God.
Yeah, this is the best that we can give you today as we start our play off. What a
Again.
nice dish.
Again, the court general of Team Daraga distributing the ball.
At ang ganda ng smile ni Dasil Paul Aspe after that. So lamang lang po ng isa ang Libon. At ayan na, in transition.
And right now, this is a 4 seed. That is a 7-0 run made by Team Daraga. That is why lamang na sila with a 1-point lead kontra sa Team Libon.
Ayun. At nakabawi na nga ang Team Daraga. Balik na sa kanila ang kalamangan na 1 puntos. 3 minutes remaining sa ating ball game. This time out is being brought to you by Ellie's Eco Hotel. Set sail with us.
What a ball game. Kakaumpisa pa lang natin ng laban na to. So definitely I'm not wrong in every stories that we are sharing to our mga kasurog.
Yes, and just like what we predicted, ganun po talaga ang nangyayari. And we just hope na nandito kayo sa loob ng LIGAO Gymnasium para ma-feel nyo talaga ang excitement sa larong ito.
Yeah. Sana you are part of this mammoth Saturday crowd inside the LIGAO Gymnasium.
And ganun pa man, binabati natin ng magandang gabi yung mga nanonood sa atin online. Napapanood po tayo sa Facebook Live. Ako, Bicol Online TV. Ako, Bicol Party List Facebook page. At sa page po ni Representative Saldico.
Right now, Team Daraga playing a 2-3 zone. They switch to man-to-man. Traveling.
That's a traveling violation. Yeah, he traveled there. Pero we can see na meron talagang gustong i-execute itong mga taga-Libon na particular play to conquer the defense of this Daraga team.
John Casil for Joshua Aguirre.
Then another magician coming in for Team Libon is Casil.
Yes.
The one who took that last shot. That buzzer beating 3-pointer from the left corner.
And that one went viral.
Oh. Sobra yun.
Sobra. Ito na naman yung mga taga-Daraga. And we have a report now from Carmela. Carmela, pasok!
Nakausap ko kanina ang head coach ng Team Daraga na si Coach Tads Delgado at sabi niya same playstyle lang gaya ng elimination round, sadyang mas i-level up daw nila ang kanilang depensa at mas papalakasin ang kanilang opensa and also stopping their opponents, especially yung mga players ng Team Libon na laging nasa painted area. Back to the panel.
At nadukutan doon si Daguro.
Oh,
Itong si Caspe.
Kasi a little bit of snatcher there.
Oo.
Tumago sa likod ng referee. That's a good play.
And that's... Nope. Sayang yung tirang yon. Ayan na ang dish ni Aspe to Caspe. Pagdating talaga sa pasahan, si Aspe maaasahan. Casil dropping it off.
Badly needed shot there for the Team Libon.
Bang! Wala! Rebound ni Chope. Pero merong foul na naitawag.
Foul on number 16, Mark Reynasha does his first team foul. Platoon substitution for the Team Daraga.
So we have fresh legs for...
2 shots for
And yeah, we are seeing happy faces here sa loob ng LIGAO Gymnasium.
Yeah, definitely you have to be happy if you are here inside because you are witnessing a historical game.
Yes, indeed.
Might be a historical game.
And it's now a 5-point lead for Daraga para sa kanilang kalaban na and ganong kabilis natapisan kaagad yun ni Daguro. As I was saying kanina, we have fresh legs, we have Santiago, We have Pispis sa kampo ng Daraga. Pispis launching a 3. Wala. Pero dalawang naka-orange ang nandun para sa rebound.
Grabe, high leaping ability
Ni Chope. Oo, parang may spring yung paa.
May hagdan.
Oo. Eto na. Pumukol ng dos. Itong si Monsalve. Almost a takeaway there. Monsalve blocked by Cabrillos. Ayan na si Casil. Yon!
Another 1-point ball game.
Simpleng-simple para kay Casil yon. Nandun si Pispis. Pero he was not bothered. Asanya losing the ball from the baseline.
Substitution.
You cannot afford to turn the ball out. Mahigpit ang laban na ito. We can feel it. It's going to be from the start up to finish. Daguro now. Setting up a play. Pinasa kay Casil. Casil for 3. Wala. Nandun si Daguro. Napalakas lang yung tira niya. And that's the first 2-pointer of Pispis in this ball game. Lamang na naman sila ng tatlo. Talking about Team Daraga. Now Reynancia. Ayun na, tumatakbo ang mga taga-Daraga.
And of the first quarter, our score.
Tapos na po ang ating first quarter at ang score natin 22 Daraga, 19 ang Libon. Magbabalik po kami, dyan lang po kayo.
Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa.
It was just a 3-point ball game as we ended our first quarter sa tapatan ng Daraga at ng Libon. And ayan, napapainom ng tubig itong si Coach Kyle Marilla.
Yeah. Feeling ko tumakbo din ako dun sa loob eh.
Now it's Daraga's possession.
And Arienda right now
Nasa
is
loob.
in the ball game.
With Monsalve as their big man. And that's miscommunication on the part of Santiago and another Santiago because
Santiago first name ni Sir Chags.
Oo. Daguro now. Missed by Santiago pero nandun si Pispis to save the day.
Right now, what is the thing that that is going for Team Daraga? The show, the early show on the double screen ay very effective para sa depensa ng Daraga.
Yes.
And that is why they are stopping Daguro from penetrating or orchestrating the offense of Libon.
Yes, indeed. At pag naging consistent doon ng Daraga in stopping Daguro, they will have a better chance in winning this ball game. Pero yon, si Daguro almost making that reverse layup. But he was fouled.
Foul number 25, Roy Rogers Santiago. That's his first team foul.
Grabe. Ano kayang mga katawan meron itong mga players natin, ano?
Yun yung body na definitely wala tayo.
Wala tayo.
Kikipagbugbugan for the pride and honor of their municipality.
And of course, for the love of the game. Santiago, to Pispis. Nakita si Asanya, almost. Ayun, mabilis na nakuha ni Aguirre ang bola. Leaning toward Pispis using his body and creating that shot. And that's a traveling violation caused by Santiago. 22-24. We only have a 2-point ball game here, coach.
That is why yung depensa and the sloppiness of these two teams. Baka nga talaga nandun yung epekto din ng pamamahinga ng matagal-tagal. Pero definitely walang pahinga kay Daguro.
That guy is the guy for LIBON right now. So tabla po, we are tied at 24. Santiago Arrienda, wala yung tirang yon. Ayun na naman ang mga taga-LIBON. That's Aguirre.
And right now, pinapatay ng team LIBON ang Daraga with the transition offense.
Santiago launches a 3. Wala. At Cabrillos will be called for a foul.
That's his first team foul.
Nagkasabitan sila ng braso.
And nautakan lang siya doon ni Monsalve on that particular play.
And back to the first unit ng Team Daraga. A platoon substitution.
Gadon. To Caspe. Wala. Nag-agawan sa rebound ng dalawang matatangkad na mama, Asanya and Cabrillos.
14 seconds.
Pero the ball will go to Daraga with Aspe from the baseline to Gadon. Llantero. Aspe. Mabibilis yung mga taga-Daraga para mabawi yung possession na yun. At yun. Nakuha ng mga taga-LIBON na naman.
Traveling.
Pero Aguirre traveled.
Medyo na-overwhelmed doon si Aguirre because he saw that opening. So suddenly, meron na palang dalawa na nakababa para sa Team Daraga.
So 7, wala pang 3 minuto po ang nakukonsumo natin sa ating second quarter. Aspe. Giving it to Llantero. Llantero giving it back to Aspe. Aspe, nakita si Caspe sa opposite side.
What a pass! What a pass!
That's a magic pass. And what do we expect from this guy, Dazzle Paul Aspe? And that one was brought to you by Willie and Sons. We make things together.
Yun ang sinasabi kong that good show up.
Cabrillos from the perimeter, wala. Ayun na naman si Dazzle Paul Aspe. Nakita si Llantero. Dumiretso, wala. At merong foul.
That's the second personal foul on Renzo Llantero.
Foul number 13, Lorenzo.
Just take a look at this pass.
That's his second.
Ineke niya muna papunta kay Caspe and then deciding to drop it off to Asanya.
That's, ang mga pasa ni Dazzle Paul is talagang very tricky.
Yeah. At kung hindi mo siya kilala, tatamaan ka sa mukha mo.
Oo. At
Kasi bigla na ipapasa sa iyo.
kung ikaw defender, kung hindi mo siya kilala, malamang tirahan ka din. Kasi pwede niyang itira eh. That's a great pass, pero not a great shot from Reynancia too. Nag-agawan ng bola doon, nakuha ng mga taga-Libon. Reynancia. To Cabrillos, niyoyo pa yon. Wala, ayan na.
That's a bad foul on
Bad
Reynancia.
foul.
You can just let it go. Kesa bibigyan mo pa ng chance from the free throw line.
Yan ang slow-mo natin.
Second team foul.
Siniguro during that time ni Asanya. And that slow-mo was brought to you by Inco Tools. Sorsogon, Legazpi, and Naga. Kung saan may Pilipino, may Inco.
Wala pang nakakalayo dito sa ball game natin.
Oo,
The biggest lead here is only 5 points.
dikitan talaga to. Sino ang tatagal? Yun ang tanong natin. Sino na naman ang magkukumit ng mga mistakes? Kasil. To Reynancia, malakas yung tira. Sayang. Missed opportunity yon for Libon. Ayun naman si Dazzle Paul. Finds Asanya!
Grabe
Nope,
yung pasang
sayang.
dun.
That's a twisted pass from Aspe. Reynancia.
Kasi
To Casil. Itong tatlo talaga, may apat. May talagang siguradong tira, no? Casil, Daguro, Cabrillos, and Reynancia.
that's a long shot. That's a bad shot on the part of Caspe.
And that's a foul from Caspe at the opposite side of the court. Coach.
Foul on number 12, JJ Caspe.
Right now,
That's his
if you are
first
Caspe,
13th
I think
foul.
the better
Substitution.
thing to do right now is to at least try to involve your teammates. Kasi masyadong malayo na yung tira niya, though he made one kanina. Pero right now, you have to make your teammates involved in every offense or offensive play that you got.
Although, sabi mo nga, meron itong green card, itong si Caspe in shooting.
But I doubt. Are you giving a green light to shoot from the logo
Yes.
from every now and then? Of course not.
You have to be wiser.
Malayo yung depensa, talagang ibibigay sa iyo ng depensa. Okay, you shoot from that distance kasi the average, the percentage of you making that shot is very low.
And siguro not in this kind of ball game na talagang kitkitan. You can shoot those pagka medyo talagang lamang na lamang ka na. Aspe. Nandun pa rin siya.
Foul on number 7, Eric Alfado. That's his
Kanina
first.
pa naghahanap ng
13th
those
foul.
love passes.
Oo.
Very
Two shots
tricky
scored.
on the
That's
part
a
of
foul.
Team Daraga. Pero because of the length of this Team Libon, they are easily deflecting all those love passes na gustong mangyari ni Dazzle Paul Aspe.
Oo. Nababasad na din nila yung ibang mga intention nitong si Dazzle Paul Aspe. Pero hindi nila kayang kontrolin yon o kontrahin dahil free throw yon, and Aspe making those two shots mula sa free throw line. Daguro being defended by a taller guy. It's Chope. Binubulabog talaga siya. At doon, sa sobrang gigil sa pagdepensa.
Foul on number 23, Jay Ganon. That's his first 14th foul.
So it was Gadon who was called for that foul. Almost, but not quite. Ayan na naman ang mga taga-Daraga, tumatakbo. Albaitar to Caspe. Launching a three from the corner. That's good for Caspe.
Yung mga ganong tira, you have to give it to Caspe.
Yes.
That catch and shoot. Pero this guy can create his shot. Pero dito sa Ako Bicol Cup, mas mataas ang percentage niya. If we're going to take those catch and shoot na situation.
Ayan na naman ang mga taga-Daraga. Chope! And all of a sudden, it's a 6-point lead. Pinakamataas sa ball game na ito. And ang timeout ay hatid po sa inyo ng Yashana Mall Legazpi, where shopping is always affordable.
And right now, ano yung ginagawang maganda ng Team Daraga? The interior defense right now of Team Daraga is tremendous. That is why they have their 6-0 run on their own. Kaya nabalik sa kanilang kalamangan with a 6-point lead approaching to 4-minute mark ng ating first half. So, again, if you are Team Libon, gaano ba katagal ulit? Nakita na natin si Daguro cramping out of the ball game ilang beses na because he is playing all his hearts out. So, ngayon ang question, kaya niya bang ulitin for a third time yung Daguro magic?
Yes. At subaybayan nila para malaman.
Yeah. You definitely get the answer if you're going to finish this ball game. So, huwag kayong aalis.
Oo. So, ayan, we have 5K live viewers. Nabalitaan ko kanina.
I'm going to check it.
Oo, so shout out na muna. Once again kay Sir Diggs Dorosan. Res, good evening. And kay Coach Jing Garcia. Magandang gabi sa inyo.
Ay, shoutout ko rin pala yung Manoy Barbershop who did my haircut.
Uy, kaya pala meron ka ding bago.
Salamat.
Meron ka ding statement.
Yung isang cameraman natin yung nagupit sa akin.
Talaga?
Oo. Si Russell Siyat.
Magaling pala siya gupit, ano? Daguro! Finds Castle sa ilalim! Wala! Ayan na si Agawan! Nakuha ng mga taga
Sorry miss there for the Team Daraga.
Cabrillos. And he was fouled by Albaytar. Yeah, Albaytar will be called.
Number 14, Joey Albaytar. That's his second penalty.
And right now, very early. Not so early, pero 3 minutes and 31 seconds pa. Pero nasa penalty na ang Team Libon. So, they have to attack the defense of Team Daraga and try to score from the free throw line.
And they're good at it. Shooting free throws. Pero not this time. Pero nung mga previous game nila, last game nila with UAS, halos dun sila talaga nanalo. Sa paunti-unting pagpi-free throw, wala yung dalawang tirang yun ni Cabrillos. Caspe faking, shooting from the 3-point territory. Wala, merong foul. Albaytar again will be called for another foul.
That's his third already.
Number 14, Joey Albaytar. That's his third penalty.
Isa yun sa mga
Juno Lasagna for Joey Albaytar.
So we have 3 minutes and 20 seconds remaining sa ating second half o second quarter. Cabrillos will now is now back in the free throw line. Wala pa rin. Pangatlo na niya yung miss.
Yung laban nila kontra dun sa Team UAS almost.
Oo, almost.
Hindi mo mintis to si Cabrillo sa free throw line. Pero yan, pang-apat na.
Mintis pa rin. May ganun talaga.
Oo.
Minsan talagang hindi sa'yo pumapanig yung ring.
Number 7, Felix Salipado. That's his second 40 foul.
Ayan yung slow-mo natin.
2 shots for Gerald.
And Lasagna was obviously fouled while going to the basket. And right now, nasa free throw line na.
So we have a 5.4K viewers right now. So I'm sure pataas pa ng pataas yan.
Yes.
Spaghetti pataas ng pataas.
Parang spaghetti yan na pataas ng pataas. And we also have May standing crowd dito sa loob ng LIGAO Gym. Talagang yung height talagang nagmamatter, ano? Aspe.
Grabe ang girian sa ilalim eh.
Oo.
Talagang tama yung game story natin. They are all conquerors.
Kita mo yung mga pasang yun.
Luis Paes for Eric Salopado.
Doon pala yun ipapasa. Paganyan. Patalikod. So 36 po yung score natin. Daraga leading this ball game.
2 shots for
30 for LIBON. May naiispatan din yung ating cameraman na nang iispat din.
Nang-ispat din siya eh. Para nag-spatan sila ng camera doon eh.
Ayan. Ganon, making that second free throw. 37 ang score natin. Lamang ng 7 po ang Team Daraga. Itinapon na lang yun ni Casil. Pero nandun pa rin siya to get his own rebound at nakasungkit pa ng foul. That's the hustle.
basket count.
Yeah, you don't give up on the play. You have to pick where you miss. And malay mo, mapunta pa rin sa'yo yung bola. Ito yung nangyari kay Casil. And nakapulot pa siya ng foul doon with an end one opportunity.
At magandang desisyon yun on the part of Daguro na ipinasak agad niya yung bola para sa kanyang kakampi. Para hindi siya masyadong mapagod trying to defend the ball na maagaw sa kanya. Dawits. Ayan yung tapatan ni Aspe at Daguro. Ayun na, tumatakbo na naman ang mga taga LIBON. At yun, sinigurado na talaga ni Paes.
The twin tower combination of LIBON, Paes, and Cabrillos.
Aspe.
What
Finds
a
Gadon.
play! What a play!
Iba talaga. Pagdating sa pasahan, Aspe, maaasahan.
Parang pawn shop lang, no?
Oo. Daguro, bounce! Banking it in.
But sabi ni Daguro, if you have the magic in your pass, I have the magic on my score.
Diyan na naman. Ganda na naman ang pasa yon from Aspe.
Finally, yung gusto niyang lob pass ay nagawa niya na.
Oo. At mas gaganahan niyang si Dasil Paul Aspe.
This is a tall order for Daguro. He was defended by Chope.
Dapat iwasan niya yung mga ganyan. Dapat hanapin niya kaagad yung open guy. Cabrillos missing that one. And that ball will go out. Kaya wag kang tatambay dyan.
That's part of our team. I hope she's okay.
What happened?
That's her.
Tinamaan sila? I think they're good. Oh, alisin nyo na lang yung railings na yan. Yan. Oo. Talagang tatamaan yan dyan. Paes now from Daguro.
Layong tira yon.
Oo. That's a good shot para sa kanya dahil they're running out of time. Aspe!
Pero
signing na 2 years too little.
But on the other side, they are not defending the transition of LIBON.
Casil was called for that foul, not letting Aspe do another magic for them.
Substitution, Joshua Aguirre for John Casil.
And balik si Aguirre sa ball game.
And 2 shots for Dazzle Paul Asper.
44 seconds remaining sa ating second quarter. And this free throw is being brought to you by Hotel Venetia. Second shot for Aspe, maluglang. We have 41 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. Daguro shooting a three. Yes!
You don't want to leave Daguro wide open from the three-point area.
Nakuha pa niya ang bola. Nakita si Aguirre. Almost, but not quite. Pero nandun pa rin si Aguirre. Bakulit talaga si Aguirre. So this is breathtaking ball game. Woo!
Substitution, Mark Reynancia for Paul
Yan yung 3-point shot na yun ni
And 2 shots for Jay Gadon.
Daguro. Gadon now will be shooting free throws. First one will not count. Medyo malakas yun.
Si Reynancia nga hindi pa nag-iingay dito sa ating ball game.
Oo, hindi pa. Ano siya eh? Pag mga clutch, doon siya. Now Aguirre. We have 23 seconds. Just the right time they need to create another shot. Pero that one was almost taken away by Gadon from Cabrillos. Aguirre now. And the ball will go to Daraga. Natrap doon si Aguirre. Tatlo na yung kalaban niya doon. The sideline. Oh no, it's going to be still a Libon ball. At ang clock natin ay 11 seconds sa game clock. 9 seconds to shoot for Team Libon. So meron tayong 2 segundong diferensya from the game clock and the shot clock.
A lot of time to create or to make this a deadlock or even grab the lead for the team Libon. They have 9 seconds on their shot clock.
Sa mga ganitong plays, maaasahan yung Libon na talagang they can do this kind of plays or this situation na kung saan the time is running down. Ayan. Lininisan muna kasi merong alikabok. Galing naman ni Lolo. Right. Now it's Daguro's ball being faced by Caspe. Step back three! Yes!
What
yes!
a rainbow! Woo!
This guy, I will not call this guy Mr. Composure without his ability to really have that composed mental attitude in those such plays.
That shot is a rainbow shot from the magician, Daguro, the Mr. Composure, much to the delight of the proud fans here inside.
Binibigay na naman ang kanyang 100%, coach.
Wala pa.
Wala pa?
Wala pa siguro yan.
Oh. And that ends our second quarter of the ball game. Lumamang ng isa ang Libon all of a sudden dito sa ating ball game. And magbabalik po ang inyong Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Atid sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Diyan lamang po kayo.
saan. Kapag ka pumunta sa inko lang yan. Sa inko ang katuwang sa pagkumpone, sa pagremedyo ng mga sira at paglinis ng tumi. Sa tahanan, opisina, ang maaasahan mo ay inko. Oh, inko. 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 Oh, inko. 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 Oh, inko. 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 Oh, inko.
At nagbabalik po kami dito sa loob ng LIGAO covered court. Matapos ang ending ng ating first half. And right now, meron tayong konting pabibo para dito sa mga taga-LIGAO. Ano, hindi lang naman para sa mga taga-LIGAO, kundi para sa lahat na nandito ngayon. We have a shootout. And this is being brought to you by Inco Tools. Ayan, kung saan may Pilipino, may Inco. Dahil meron po tayong papremyo kung sino ang unang makaka 3 points dito sa maglalaban-laban na ito, ay merong drill na ibibigay ang Inco. Wala pa din. How about this guy? Wala, almost. Again, at stake po. Ayan, impact drill from Inco. Almost. So, sige. Next round. Again, kung sino po ang unang makakatres, yun ang panalo. And that one will count. Yan na, we have a winner. And what a beautiful smile from this guy who won the contest. And there you go. That's Miss Jody awarding. And again, this portion is being brought to you by Inco Tools Legazpi, Sorsogon, and Naga. Ayan. Natin ng isang impact drill. Again, that one was brought to you by Inco Tools Legazpi, Sorsogon, and Naga. Kung saan may Pilipino, may Inco.
Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Yun at sa Gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po araw po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa.
Mga problemang legal sa tuyang susolusyonan ora mismo. Problema sa barangay, issue sa daga, problema sa pamilya, o kaya naman love life, issue sa trabaho, asin iba pang issue legal na hahanapan ng kasimbagan. Digdisin na yan sa Tabang Legal, Kanako Bicol, Tabang ora mismo. Hatod sa ito Kanako Bicol Party List, asin kan Action Cost Center ni Congressman Saldico. Problemang legal, itabang legal.
Na nga ngayon ang dalawang head coach ng both teams. Walang iba kundi si JR Salcedo ng Team Libon at si Coach Tads Delgado ng Team Daraga. So Coach, good evening po sa inyo. Gusto ko lang po malaman kung ano po ba yung naging adjustment nyo since the first round, which is the elimination round, up to today, the second round, the quarterfinals.
Yung adjustment namin ginawa, nung first round, medyo kami, sa physicality, medyo nawawala kami sa sa laro. Ngayon, nung nasa active rest kami, in-address namin yon. Nag-prepare kami para dito sa quarterfinals kasi wala namang sa amin na makakapasok kami dito. Kaya sabi ko sa players ko, tayong gumagawa ng story natin, ayusin na natin, bigay na natin lahat. Yun lang.
Thank you, Coach. May gusto po ba kayong batiin o pasalamatan?
First of all, gusto kong pasalamatan si God na binigyan kami ng opportunity makaabot dito sa quarterfinals, sa aming buting mayor sa Libon, at sa wife ko na napaka-supportive sa mga sa Libon. Grabe, suporta, salamat. Tapos sa mga tropa ko sa Iriga, salamat. At yun, wag sana kayong magsawang magsuporta dito sa ligang to, napakaganda.
Thank you, Coach. And once again, good luck po sa laro ngayon. So, good evening, Coach Tads. Ano po ba sa feeling na nakapasok na kayo ngayon sa quarterfinals? Ano po ba yung naging adjustment nyo?
Bali sa ngayon, naging adjustment namin is that wala namang actually naging adjustment. Wag lang kami magkampante doon sa elimination round na yun. In fact, sinabi ko yung team namin na just forget yung nangyari sa elimination, focus kami dito sa quarterfinals, back to zero. So ngayon, adjustment namin dito sa game, siguro yung turnovers namin, and then we have to improve our free throws.
Thank you, Coach. May gusto po ba kayong pasalamatan?
First and foremost, siyempre pinapasalamatan ko ang Lord sa opportunity, then sa AKB committees na napakagandang laro, and then of course yung mga supporters ng Team Daraga, yung mga taga-Daraga, and then of course yung family ko, yung GHBA family. Maraming salamat sa pagsuporta niyo po sa amin.
Thank you po. And once again, good luck. Magbabalik ang Ako Bicol Cup 2022.
Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Yun at sa Gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po araw po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa.
mga problemang legal sa tuyang susolusyonan ora mismo. Problema sa barangay, issue sa daga, problema sa pamilya, o kaya naman love life, issue sa trabaho, asin iba pang issue legal na hahanapan ng kasimbagan. Digdisin na yan sa Tabang Legal, Kanako Bicol, Tabang ora mismo. Hatod sa ito Kanako Bicol Party List, Asimkan Action Cost Center ni Congressman Saldico. Problemang legal, itabang legal.
Nag-oral ako sa imo! Aram mo may akong anak kitag-relasyon ka!
Aram mo palang kay Biki, humanda ka Biki ako. Tababang no katudurugin kita.
Lahat po ng sinabi nila, walang katotohanan.
Wala naman sila doon nang pumupunta sa bahay namin ang magulang niya.
Kung dito sa Baskaran, wala kitis yung hindi. Napangitan na sa amon, mga sabi ito na sana.
Kung di sana nagadan sa akin, kunin man ako sa iyo magad sa pinto.
Yes, we are now back into this very thrilling ball game between LIBON and Daraga. At ayan na naman, coach, nakaunang buslo ng puntos itong mga taga-LIBON.
And that is because of a good defense ng isang Daredevil. And right now, our scoring leader so far in our ball game, Daguro with 16, Castle with 13, and Aguirre with 7. Para sa kabila naman, sa Team Daraga, Acaspe with 13, Azanya with 9, and Gadon with 6.
And right now, it's Reynancia bringing the ball for LIBON. Reynancia passing it to Cabrillos. Mukhang maalat na yung si Cabrillos sa larong ito. And Caspe taking too many steps there. So it's 47-46. Lamang po ang LIBON.
Tinatao ni
Tinatao na
si Daguro.
Baka magkaanak sila niyan.
Defense para sa Team Daraga.
So ngayon nakita na nila kung gaano katindi itong Team LIBON, and they have to really defend. Talagang hindi mo mababasta-basta din talaga itong LIBON team. And the referees need to settle something right now.
Warning for tactical. Team Daraga for bench decorum.
Ano bang nangyari doon kasi?
They're challenging that call. They thought the ball will be on their side, pero natapik pa ni Daguro yon papunta kay Lantero. So the ball will stay on the Team LIBON.
Kaya na tumatakbo si Dasil Paul Aspe. Giving it to Caspe mula sa side. Short yung tira. And Paes for the rebound. Now it's Reynancia. Daguro. Nasa kanya na yung bola. And that's a great move. Attacking the basket. Really nice and easy for this guy.
Right now, a 3-point lead for Team LIBON.
At ayan na naman ang mga taga-LIBON. Daguro now. Umatake na naman. Wala. Na-rebound ni Caspe. Chope. Almost losing that one.
Double dribble.
At yun na nga.
Breaks of the game.
He lost it. And now it will be Libon's ball.
Right now, Team Libon defending very well ang mga shooters and ang mga scorers ng Team Daraga. So right now, Team Daraga is looking for someone to step up dito sa ball game na ito.
Reynancia for 3! Yes! There goes Mr. Clutch.
He is silent on that first half, but definitely catching up to this ball game is Reynancia.
Dapat makaganti dito ang Daraga. Caspe attacking the basket strong and he was fouled.
Foul number 32, Neil
Look at
Cabrillos. That's his second.
That three-point shot made by
Substitution,
Reynancia was
Mr.
brought to you by
for
Willie
Eddie
and
Chopin.
Sons. We
Two
make
shots
things
for
together.
JJ Caspe.
Pinana eh.
Oo.
Pinana ni Reynancia yung 3-pointer niya doon. So right now, Caspe medyo malamig from the 3-point area. So magandang decision yun to attack strong and to fish foul. Pero you have to convert. If you are Caspe, you have to get your rhythm through this free throw. Pero yung una namintis niya.
Oo. And making the second one. 52-47 po ang ating score. Lamang ang Libon. Libon now. Or Daguro is being hounded by Riantero. Tumawag ng traveling violation ng referee. Tingnan natin sa slow-mo. Ayan nga. Nagpatentero si Daguro. Dahil doon nakaposisyon si Dasil Paul Aspe. Ganda sana yung pasang yun eh, Dasil Paul Aspe.
And right now, I think for Dasil Paul Aspe, he needs to take over to this ball game. He continues on his play style, dishing and dropping the ball in his teammate. Pero I think right now, he can take those shots.
Oo, kailangan niya ng pumuntos. Para sa ngayon pa lang, masave na itong Team Daraga. Caspe. Missing his second shot. Na-rebound ni Aspe ang ball. Pispis. Was that Pispis? Yes, it is.
That's on the neck.
Ano nangyari doon?
That's on the neck. They have to talk things over.
Was not sino yung nasa floor?
It's Caspe. I think that swipe of Reynancia is on the neck of Caspe. So they have to talk things over dito sa ating official. But definitely merong foul call doon with that second motion of Gadon.
Foul number 16, Mark Reynancia. That's his third team foul.
But I guess the call will stay as a regular foul.
On number 23, Jay Gadon for his second motion.
At yun na nga, natawagan ng second motion doon si Gadon, and that the call on Reynancia will stick to a regular foul.
So this is going to be very disappointing on the part of Daraga.
Mark Reynancia.
I guess we can take a look to that last sequence of Reynancia and Caspe there. Kasi I think there is a swipe sa neck part, and that's it.
Yeah.
So in that last sequence, it's not actually directed to the ball eh. Hindi bola yung habol doon ni Reynancia, but his swing parang clothesline eh.
And unluckily, tinamaan niya yung leeg ni Caspe. Kaya nakita naman yun ni Gadon. Kaya nag-react siya ng Gadon.
Same ball.
Okay, so let's get over it and move on.
Timeout.
Lamang po
Daraga.
ng 5 ang Libon with 53 and Daraga 48. This timeout is being brought to you by Misibis Bay, your tropical island getaway.
Right now, if you are Coach Tads Delgado, again, that ball movement is good. Pero yung better shot selection para sa team mo, kailangan nilang ma-convert yung mga open looks na yon. A lot of open looks actually is given to them. Yun nga lang, hindi nila nako-convert. Pagdating naman dito sa Team Libon, kung gusto nilang maalagaan ang kalamangan na ito, they still need to be consistent on attacking the teeth of the defense of Daraga. Especially, Team Daraga is forcing Team Libon to attack the paint. Kasi nga, nakita na natin how deadly Team Libon are sa 3-point area.
Oo. With those 3-point shots, crucial 3-point shots made by Daguro, ayun, they are aware. So Daraga, now talaga makikita natin na talagang pinag-iigting nila ang kanilang depensa.
Watch out for that pop out. Nice play.
Nice play, but Aspe couldn't make it. Aspe, oh no, it's Pespis. Missing that rainbow. Aguirre. Salupado. Being hounded by Aspe. And blocked. Oh, that's a traveling. Sayang yon para sa Team Daraga.
And right now, Caspe is forcing his will from the 3-point shot. You have to attack. Go for that high percentage shot. And from there, maybe baka makuha mo yung rhythm mo.
Reynancia once again for 3! Mula sa corner! And that's a good one. No question about it. Now it's Aspe for Daraga. Kailangan makagante. Kailangan pumuntos dito. With Pispis missing that one out. It's Llantero saving the mess. Or cleaning the mess. At yun, nagkaroon ng foul doon sa mahigpit na depensa itong si Llantero. Do you think, Coach, it's a good strategy na asawahin itong si Daguro?
Of course. If you're Team Daraga, you have to do it. Kailangan mong bigyan ng tao in front because the offense of Libon is starting from Daguro.
Yes.
So, kumbaga, you have to, if you are going to attack platoon, you have to go directly to the head.
To the head or maybe to the heart. Ano?
Yeah.
Which is in our case dito sa laban na to, it's Daguro, which is the head or even the heart of this Libon team. And that's, I think it was a traveling violation.
Again, that horn play of Libon, the double screen on top. Pero yung sa weak side nila from that left corner ay bakante. So that is why nakomit nila yung turnover because of that first spacing.
And Daguro stealing that one. At yun, easy 2 for Libon. Now they're leading by 8. Pispis launching at Rainbow. No, nandun si Cabrillos for the rebound. And now it's Libon's ball, Daguro. Reynancia hesitates. Ipiniti ng tira!
That is an hang time on Reynancia. What a move. What a basket.
Ibang klase. That one was brought to you by Inco Tools. Kung saan may Pilipino, may Inco. On the other side, it was Asanya fouled by Cabrillos. Sabi naman ni Cabrillos, nakatayo lang ako ah. Nakataas lang yung kamay ko.
Basket count.
That's a beautiful hang time by Reynancia. Sa slow-mo. So 60-52. Magpi-free throw ngayon si Asanya.
Bonus shot for
Bonus shot actually.
Azania.
At 4.46 sa ating pong third quarter. And that free throw dropped. So it will be...
This is only a 7-point ball game.
Yes, it is. And now, balik kay Chope ang pagdidepensa kay Daguro. Cabrillos launching a three. Wala. Pero sa kabilang banda, nandun ang mga taga-Daraga. Chope! Mula kay Asanya.
Up until now, you cannot say that the momentum is on the side of LIBON.
Yes.
5-0 run by Team Daraga. But right now, if you want, if you are Team Daraga, if you want to get the lead back to your side, you have to double your effort on those switches, especially you are playing a man-to-man defense.
Yes. Now it's Reynanza against Santiago. And that's another easy two for Daraga. At yan, they are back in this ball game. It's just a 3-point lead. We have a report from Carmela. Carmela, come in please.
At yun na nga, we're already in our third quarter for our last matchup game between Daraga and Team Libon. At kanina nakausap ko ang coach na si Jason Tubilio at sabi niya never daw sila magpapakampante, especially this quarterfinals. At dapat na lang nating asahan na todo bigay sila and regarding sa kanilang play style ay dati lamang since the beginning of the game tonight. At tiwala sa Panginoon ng kailangan at sa kanilang team. And with this, it's not impossible for them to close this game with a great win. Balik sa inyo, Coach Morgs at Coach Kyle.
Maraming thank you, Carmela. And yeah, we're taking a look at the bench of Daraga.
Right now, these two teams having fair share of runs dito sa ating third quarter. Tatlo lang to ang kalamangan na ito. So we have a 6.5K viewers right now. And
It's amazing.
yeah, and it will keep piling up as we go deeper and deeper to this ball game.
And now it's Reynanza bringing the ball in. Finds Taguro being harassed by Tiope. Chope. Oh no, it's Cabrillos from Daguro sana, pero umalog lang yung bola. Caspe to Asanya. And Asanya makes that shot.
That's what I'm talking about. Casper right now must involve his teammates and he is definitely doing it.
Yes.
That is why isa na lang ang kalamangan ng Libon.
Yan. So almost nakabalik na po ang Daraga sa laban na ito. Aguirre jumps and hits it. There goes your man.
And right now, dun sa amin, sa mga taga-Busay, na nanonood, nag-i-enjoy sila while doing some drinking.
May kasamang ganun ano.
Oo. Yung tao Gama feed daw ng Busay. And then kay Kuya Boyet, sa pamilyas namin, mga Marilya family na nanonood sa atin ngayon. And of course, kay Ryan, Mira, magandang gabi sa inyo. Sana nag-i-enjoy kayo dito sa ball game na ito.
Kung hindi kayo nag-enjoy, ay nako, ewan ko kung anong diferensya.
Kayo sigurong meron.
Definitely not ours.
No. Kung hindi ka nag-i-enjoy masyado sa ball game na ito, it's because siguro kung ang team na sinusuportahan mo ay nalalamangan.
Yun, malamang ganon.
Malamang ganon. Pero too early to celebrate.
Yes.
If you are Team Libon, you have to continue what you're doing good from the first up to this 3-minute mark ng ating third quarter.
Yes, you have to really be consistent. Pero that attempt almost.
Si Reynanza, napakagandang ginagawa niya. He is in this ball game to test and challenge the defense of Team Daraga. And so far, he's definitely in good dahil nga nakakupulot siya ng mga foul and he's scoring with those layups. Kanina nakita natin and right now he has the chance to make this a 5-point game.
So, kung heavily guarded si Daguro, nandyan naman si Reynancia. And wala yung unang tira. Pero yung pangalawa, talagang siniguro niya. Now it's Daraga with Santiago bringing the ball. To Chope. Chope making that one count.
Again, same story for Team Daraga. Chope was the game changer in that last game between against Team Ligaspi, and right now mukhang yun din ang mangyayari dito sa Libon.
History will definitely have a chance to repeat itself. Reynancia to Cabrillos. Short pa rin ang mga tira ni Cabrillos. Malamya ang mamang ito sa gabing ito. Caspe launching a triple. Wala. At nasa mga taga-Daraga pa rin ang bola. Chope missing. At yan na, tumatakbo na naman ang mga taga-Libon. Aguirre, hindi muna itinira. Naganap ng mapapasahan. Ang gandang play sana yun. Sayang.
But right now, Team Libon and the penalty. That's a frustration foul on Aguirre because he missed that open na shot na sana sa kanya.
Naiwanan niya na yung depensa, di ba?
And 2 shots for JJ Casper.
So Daraga will now have a chance to tie this ball game with these free throws from Caspe, making that one count.
Only a 1-point ball game right now. We're seeing a beautiful faces in a beautiful game like this.
Yes. And on that rebound play, matatawagan ng foul.
Ernie Chope does his first
Chope.
penalty.
And both teams ay nasa penalty now with under 2 minutes to
2
go.
shots for
So Reynancia will be going to the line para madagdagan itong kalamangan nilang 1 punto lamang. Making that one the first one. Makes the couple. And now, nasa kay Caspi ang bola para sa Daraga. Finds Gadon. Who finds Santiago. Balik kay Gadon. And he was blocked.
Again, that floor spacing. 2-3 zone is the defense of Libon. But nakita mo naman on that strong side, 4 ang tao na nandun sa Team Daraga. So the defense was very fixed in that side.
Yes. Pinasa ni Santiago sa labas. Yantero shoots from that far. Ayan na ang mga taga-Libon. Casil. And right now, it's a 3-on-2 situation. Chope with that left hand.
I'm not wrong. Chope could be the game changer once again para sa Team Daraga with this hustle.
And sa ngayon talaga, siya yung bumubuhat sa team. And sa kabilang banda, almost a shot made by Reynancia. Pero that went out. Yantero. And he was fouled while going to the basket.
Number 10, Christian Daguro does his first penalty.
Tinawanan na lang ni Christian Daguro yung call doon.
Ay, naiusli niya ng konti yung kanyang siko.
Daguro, medyo manipis doon.
Oh, medyo manipis.
Pero in that angle, pero siguro iba ang nakita ng ating referee on front of him.
Oo. 41 seconds, 0.8 po ang natitirang oras sa ating third quarter. What a ball game we are having here. The final match of our first day sa ating Sweet 6 Warfare quarterfinals ng ating Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Liantero missing the first free throw attempt and making the second one count. So we have a tied ball game now. It's a deadlock 65. Daraga, Libon.
Sinasayaw ni Reynansa si Santiago.
Oo. Switching a defense. Reynansa, you cannot leave him there. Cabrillos. Finally hits it!
That's the first perimeter shot I saw na pumasok para kay Cabrillos.
And Libon needs Cabrillos to win this game. He needs to contribute sa paggawa ng puntos. And we only have a 7 seconds in this quarter. Lamang ang Libon with a mere 2 points. And mayroon tayong mga...
That's a tactical substitution. Yung matchup nila, si Aguirre kay Aspe.
Liantero making that 3-point attempt. Nope. Caspe follow it up. And that's a nice shot mula kay Caspe.
And right now, we have a deadlock.
And we have a ball game, partner. 67 all. End of third quarter. Daraga versus Libon. Dito po sa Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Atin to.
Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Inat sa Gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po arag po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa.
Mga problemang legal sa tuyang susolusyonan ora mismo. Problema sa barangay, issue sa daga, problema sa pamilya, o kaya naman love life, issue sa trabaho, asin iba pang issue legal na hahanapan lang kasimbagan. Digdisin na yan sa Tabang Legal, Kanako Bicol, Tabang ora mismo. Atod sa ito Kanako Bicol Party List, asimkan Action Cost Center ni Congressman Saldico. Problemang legal, itabang legal.
It's anybody's ball game. Daraga, Libon. Malalaman natin yan dito sa ating fourth quarter action. Ako Bicol Cup 2022 hatid sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na, kasurog pa. And we are live here sa LIGAO City Gymnasium. Kapa Morgan and Coach Kyle Marilla with Carmela Hernandez sa courtside. Unang possession ng ating fourth quarter. Nasa mga taga-Libon. Bintinapon na lang yon ni Daguro. At ito na si Reynancia. Nandun si Aguirre to save the day.
Again, the Daredevil making the efforts.
Oo, hindi siya katangkaran pero nandun siya for those putbacks. Caspe missing. Gadon umikot. Malayo yung tira sa ring. Na-rebound ni Cabrillos now. It's Daguro and Team Libon. Another two-pointer from Aguirre.
And a 4-0 run early
Oo.
sa Team Libon.
This is not a good sign for Daraga, so they have to step up now. Aspe. To Caspe. Launching a rainbow. Wala pa rin.
Again, lahat ng 3-pointers na yun ay pilit.
And sabi mo nga, you have to settle for that higher percentage shot at this point in time. Aguirre versus Aspe. Now, it's Daguro versus Jope. Dado si Cabrillos. And that's a traveling.
That's a good call. That's a good call.
Faking but traveling. Sayang. And right now it's Daraga's ball. Caspe bringing it on. Giving it to Gadon sa ilalim. Gadon missing. Nandun si Lantero pero wala. Nag-agawan pa ang dalawang naka-violet. Ito na naman si Aguirre.
And as we take a look at our back score, talagang magkakalapit-lapit lang ang score.
Oo.
Almost 3-1 ang lead sa magkabilang koponan.
So we are witnessing some sort of adjustments dito sa Daraga.
Foul on number 4, John Casil.
Parang
That's his
si
second. First team foul. Substitution. Recording of 3-0 for John Casil.
So Casil papalitan muna.
Jensen Monsalve for J. Gadon.
And also Gadon will be replaced by Monsalve. And we are definitely having a ball game here.
Presence of Floor General, we need you here.
Wala pang 2 minuto po ang nakukonsumo natin dito sa pagpasok natin sa ating fourth quarter. At naka-6 na puntos na kaagad ang Libon.
That is because the efforts on their defense, defensive end para sa team
Team Daraga.
And Team Daraga calling for an early timeout. Isa na lang ang natitirang timeout para sa kanila. So, I guess ito din na call ng timeout ng Daraga, pamatay sunog that 6-0 run by Libon. Pero definitely you have to preserve your timeout, especially dikitan ang laban.
Pero ni-risk na yan ng coaching staff ng Daraga. And this timeout is being brought to you by Ellis Ecotel. Set sail with us. Ellis Ecotel. And Team Daraga is now back, as well as Team Libon.
Same ball. 18 seconds on the shot clock.
So it's going to be the same ball. Same possession for Daraga. Caspe. Tumonsalve.
And we still
Almost a take out na naman there. At na naman nga ang mga taga-Libon. What a beautiful play once again.
There's now an 8-point lead once again for the team Libon. Stagnant ang opensa ng team Daraga.
Wala, hindi pumapasok yung mga tira nila. At itong si Aspe ay talagang inaasawa na din. Ang gandang pasa
That's his fourth
ni Daguro for
team foul.
this guy, Cabrillos. Look at that one. And that will boost the confidence of Cabrillos, I think. Because sa mga unang quarters, hindi siya nakakashoot. At right now, nakakadalawa na itong si Cabrillos. Daguro for three! Yes!
Much to the delight of this crowd. Daguro hitting another 3-point shot.
And now, ano kaya ang nasa isip ng mga taga-Daraga? Si Aspe is now being also guarded heavily.
That's his first. Second
And that
team
3-point
foul.
shot by Daguro, nothing but net, was brought to you by Willie and Sons. We make things together. Ibang klaseng pinapakita ni Christian Daguro in this particular ball game. Ayan na naman. Kita mo yan. Very easy sa kanyang basketball. Hindi natataranta. Hindi nangangarag. At maririnig niyo po ang hiyawan dito ng crowd with Reynancia hitting another 3 points!
What is happening? Bukang-buka na ang ring ng Libon because of that run. Definitely, I can say that the momentum is on the side of Team Libon with that 8-0 run.
What a shot! What a team! It's Team Libon upsetting Team Daraga at this point in time. Daraga needs somebody to save them.
And right now, if you are the coaching staff of Team Daraga,
And look at the crowd.
the first thing that you have to say to your players is to settle down. You are out of control. You are playing stagnant offense. You have to move the ball, and the players has to move if you want to score against this delightful team of Team Libon.
You have to play with your mind, not with your instinct. And look at the crowd right now going crazy after the rally nitong Team Libon. But still, we have 6.45 sa ating game clock. So Aspe now is being heavily guarded by this guy, Rio Frio. Kaya pala sabi ko ang nagpo-point guard na si Caspe.
Foul number 0.
So it's 83 Libon, 67 po Daraga.
Team foul.
The problem here for the Team Daraga, they don't have timeout left para dito sa natitirang oras sa ating fourth quarter.
Gadon, great move. That's a nice move for Gadon.
Now they will go for a man-to-man defense.
Heavier defense we are expecting from this team, Daraga. Will Libon give them a heavy offense? bilang sagot. Reynancia once again! Nope! Pero mananatili sa kanila yung bola. Cabrillos! Wala. Nandun at sana si Aguirre for the rebound. Pero natalo siya ng opposing...
At merong sagot din. And then again, Chope with that layup. Mayroong pang end one.
Oo. Merong end one.
That's a hard fall on Christian Daguro, challenging that layup of Ernie Chope.
That's his second. 14 foul.
As we take a look at that slow-mo.
Bonus shot for
Yun nga.
Ernie Chope.
And right now, Chope will shoot the bonus shot.
This is only an 11-point ball game with under 6 minutes sa ating fourth quarter, and it's still anything can happen.
Yes, of course. And Daraga losing that one. So it's going to be... Wait, mayroong kino-contest yung Team Daraga.
And I think they were going to huddle up this one. And they were going to overturn the call. And the ball will stay on Team Daraga.
Oo.
14 seconds on the shot clock.
So it will be Daraga possession. Pero nagkamali yung paasang yon from Aspe. Now Reynancia using the left hand.
Same ball.
Wala. Sablay yung tirang yon.
Again, the transition defense of Team Daraga is slowly crumbling down. Nakita natin that is a 4-on-1 fast break. Buti na lang at hindi na-convert yun ng Libon.
Yes. Rio Frio to Daguro. Being guarded still by Chope. They need to be careful not leaving this guy open. Aguirre! Almost, but not quite. At sumablay pa sa katawan ni Gadon, kaya mukhang matatawagan siya ng foul.
And penalty na ngayon yung Team Libon.
Sumabit siya sa katawan ni Gadon.
So again, right now, if you are Team Daraga, you have to attack strong now to the basket because nasa penalty na ang Team Libon. You have to earn your shot from the free throw line with the clock is stopped.
Ang tanong ngayon, partner, Libon ay nagkaroon ng mga epic wins na sila yung trailing. And in this particular game, it's them who is leading.
Yan ang isagot na matutunghayan natin mamaya if they can sustain or be consistent in this ball game. And even this Team Daraga, this is actually the first time that they will going to come back for a ball game.
Daguro missing on that jumper. Now Caspe, dire-diretso. Ayan, that's a good shot. Good shot for Caspe. Nice decision on his part.
Only a 8-point ball game.
Aguirre making that one mula kay Rio Frio.
And another foul. That's a bad foul on Rio Frio. Napakalayo pa sa court nila to foul Aspe. And right now, nagkakagulo ang depensa ng Team Daraga. But wala na sila magagawa because they don't have any timeout left. So definitely they have to communicate to their players without calling for a time.
Yes, that's what they're going to do.
Same problem to Caspe. Caspe right now is, I think, cramping out.
And right now, Aspe missing from that free throw line on his first attempt. The second one. Will he make it? Wala pa din. Pero nakakuha ng rebound si Aspe.
Right now, they have to defend. They
really need to defend. Rio Frio. Nakita si Daguro. Daguro now.
Five on the shot clock.
Aguirre shooting for the three. Nandun si Cabrillos pero nakuha ng mga taga-Daraga ang bola. And now Pispis has to make this shot. Nope! Wala ang tirang yon, sablay. Nasa mga taga-Libon na naman ang bola. 3 minutes and 58 seconds remaining. Reynancia faking, passing, Cabrillos shooting, missing. Ito na naman ang Daraga with Aspe with the ball. Turning, making a shot, nope. Ito na naman, balik sa mga taga-Libon ang bola. And what a pass.
Another 10-point ball game.
Chope.
And he will throw to the line for another 2 shots here.
That's his third penalty.
As we take a look at this replay, in that last score of Team Libon, right now, if you are Team Libon, you don't need to foul. You cannot afford, even with this big lead with 10 points, you don't need to foul. You cannot afford to give bonus free throw, or I mean free throws to your opponent, especially with the time stop.
Well, you just have to make clean defense. The cleanest defense that you can give. And I can say that Daraga is in trouble right now, talaga. With 3.29 on our game clock. Chope missing that one again. So it's a double miss. Now nakuha ng mga taga-Libon ng bola. Kasil. Daguro diving for the ball.
Requesting all players to please go back to your respective benches.
What happened there?
Requesting players to
Napakabilis ng pangyayari. All of a sudden, nasa floor itong si Hope, hoping that he's fine. I guess he is. He was trying to save the ball. Pwede man natin makita yun sa slow-mo, direct. Ayan. This one.
Ay, mukhang
tumama siya doon sa
yung leg, yung knee niya doon sa table.
Oo, sa mga paanong table. I think he's good. Now it's Daraga. Asanya. Pinasa kay Chope. Chope from behind the backboard. We are about to hit the 3-minute mark.
Foul on number 16, Mark Reynancia. That's his fourth.
This very exciting ball game.
2 shots for Ray Tiofer.
Chope making the first one.
A 9-point ball game.
And the second one also counts for Chope. Now they have to defend. Again, they have to play strong defense. They cannot afford to make Libon convert another shot. Reynancia shoots 3. Nope, pero nandun yung mga kakampi. Wala, nakuha ni Caspe. Now si Caspe tumatakbo para sa Team Daraga. Looking for a teammate. Pero nakuha. Almost nakuha ni Cabrillos yung bola. And now, whose ball is it?
Same ball.
So that will be...
Whose ball is it? Nagkagulo na po. 86-78. What a ball game we are experiencing right now.
So the ball will stay on Team Daraga based on the possession arrow.
So it's going to be Daraga's ball.
Seconds on the shot clock.
And again, another foul. Yun ang sinasabi ko.
Foul number 32.
You are giving a chance to your opponent to score with the time is stopped.
That's his fifth.
This is what the other teams made with them
Foul number 32, New Cabrillos.
sa kanilang mga epic games.
Penalty.
And I guess Cabrillos is fouling out of this ball game. That's the biggest development right here. Who will be the one to stop Gadon underneath?
That's going to be a major problem for Team Libon. I think he is fouling out.
And right now, if you are Team Daraga, without the presence of Cabrillos, the length of Cabrillos, you have to attack that heart of the defense of Libon and earn some points from the free throw line.
Libon cannot afford na mapasahan itong si Gadon sa ilalim. Kasi walang magcha-challenge na mahabang guy like Cabrillos.
But a sorry miss there by missing his first free throw.
And the second one count. We have 79 for Daraga and 86 for Libon. So it's a 7-point lead. Now Aguirre. Mahaba pa to. So Libon now is playing without Cabrillos. They have Paes instead as their big guy. And the main man, Reynancia, making
What
that one.
a shot! Ang ganda ng pihit doon ni Reynancia.
Looks like this team Libon is talagang sanay na sanay sa mga high-pressured ball game. It's hard to beat a team like this na under pressure, kumakana pa rin. That's a good play. But a bad shot. Hindi masyadong maganda yung tirang yun ni Reynancia.
Another foul din. Mukhang kay Daguro yun.
Yes, Daguro is really defending his ring.
Take a look at this replay.
That's his third.
There's a third personal foul on Daguro. Again, the window is still wide open for the team Daraga. They just have to convert the free throws para makabalik dito sa ating ball game.
Yes, indeed. And Asanya, hindi naman pinahiya ang kanyang mga kasama. 1:41 sa ating game clock. Aspe, heavily defending. Reynancia, Casil using the board. Wala.
Ay, what a hustle there by JJ Caspe.
Now it's Aspe. Nakita si Asanya. Yun na nga ang sinasabi mo, coach. Kung hindi ka handa sa pasa ni Aspe, tatamaan ka sa mukha. And yun na nga ang na-experience doon.
What a lucky break for
Yes,
Team
Sanya.
Libon. That's a lucky break on the part of Team Libon. Buti na lang at na-turn over yun ng Team Daraga.
Swerte lang talaga nitong Libon din. And that's what was the call? What was the call of the referee? Wala na pong makita. Aspe.
Minama niya doon.
Minama na niya.
Daguro, this is only a 4-point ball game, a 2-possession ball game.
Yes, it is.
Same ball. 22
So delikado din dito ngayon ang Libon. They have to convert a shot. Now it's Daguro.
Meron pang foul to give dito ang Team Daraga. Again, Team Daraga is playing without any timeout left.
That's his second.
on their side.
Team foul. 14 seconds on the shot clock.
Near steal. And mababalik ang bola
Sa mga
doon
taga-Daraga.
sa Daraga with a chance. This is only a 4-point ball game.
They have a chance now. This is very crucial on the part of Team Daraga. Right, this is an important possession for Team Daraga.
Atake na yan ni
Aspe! Took Aspe for 3! Wala! Na-rebound kayo ni... And that's a foul from Aspe. Or Caspe.
Foul number 12, JJ.
Napakagandang play sana yon from Aspe to Caspe.
Team foul.
If Aspe could have just made that one.
But right now, that's the breaks of the ball game. Not all the time that the magic will be on your side, pero definitely in this ball game, off si Caspe. Nakita pa naman natin during that first half and up to the second half na medyo nakakuha niya yung 3 points niya, but not in a consistent basis, constant basis. So definitely, that's a good shot actually because he is wide open from the top.
It is.
Pero again, Team Daraga with only 4-point lead, they can opt to attack that basket and try to fish another foul and score from the free throw line.
That could have been a better option. But iba yung naisip nila, iba yung create nilang play on that particular sequence.
And right now, if you are Team Libon, you just have to inbound the ball. Meron ka lang 5 seconds dyan and try to waste some clock here and attack the basket because papasok na din naman ng penalty ang Team Daraga.
Yeah, and one more foul, di ba, Coach?
Yeah.
So anything may happen.
.8 seconds. Pwede pa bumalik dito ng tatlong beses sa court. Dalawang balikan pa ito.
Oo. And it's only just a 4-point lead for Team Libon.
What a ball game.
This is another epic game that we are experiencing right now with Libon. Yun lang.
That's a traveling. That's a traveling
violation.
That's a clear call. That's a good call.
Yes, it is a clear call. That's a traveling violation.
That's a clear call. That's a good call on Jay Mohar. Sayang yun.
Oo, maganda sana na inatake niya talaga yung ring. Pero nag-travel lang siya. Good pass. Good shot. Wala. Ayan na si Aspe.
This is only a 2-point ball game, but you have to foul right now.
Oo. So it's a 2-point ball game.
You can use some 8 seconds here.
Kasil na foul. And he will
12.2 seconds. You don't have any timeout if you are Team Daraga. What are you going to do right now? You will only have to rely on the 5 on your floor.
And they have to utilize this one. This timeout by the opposing team. What a ball game we are having here.
Right now, this could have been a bad call for a timeout if you are Team Libon because you're giving you're giving a time para makapag-huddle up ang Team Daraga because you're going to shoot the 2 free throws. I mean, mabalik pa naman yung sa bola, pero sa tingin ko, ang iniisip ngayon ng coaching staff ng Team Libon is they have to make a good inbound papasok because Team Daraga will go for that foul.
Yes. And I think this is just a good decision also for Team Libon. You need to capitalize on those opportunities for your team to have a huddle. And what a lucky break din ito para sa Daraga, knowing na wala na nga silang timeout.
If you are Team Daraga, if you're going to lose this game, you have to look back to those missed free throws. Yung mga namintis mong free throws ay malaking bagay. Right now, if you are Team Daraga, you want the ball. You want the guy from Team Libon to receive the lowest percentage from the free throw line, and that is Paes.
Yes.
You have to force him to receive that ball.
What are they going to do now?
At ang bola ay sa Libon pa rin.
Oo, kasi kanina it was
another lucky break there for the Team Libon. They wasted at least 3 seconds on our game clock.
Yes. And 9.1 seconds remaining.
Parehas na koponan, wala nang timeout.
What a ball game.
You have to foul, you have to foul. You have to foul. You almost wasted at least 3 seconds on the game clock. Right now, you can use, if you're Coach Stads right now, use this free throw, design a play. Because you don't have a timeout. You're going to inbound from the baseline up to your court. And again, Reynancia, he can go for that miss on that last free throw para wala nang timeout eh. Pwede mo nang gamitin yung 5 seconds. Pero, kailangan mo pa rin ipasok yung pangalawa.
Kailangan mo ipasok ito.
Oo, kung napasok mo yung una, pwede yung gawin eh. But right now, you have to secure the rebound if you're Team Daraga and go fast, go quick.
Ayan, sige. 88-86, 5 seconds remaining. Nasa free throw line si Reynancia. Missing that one, pero nakuha yung rebound.
And another lucky break there for Team Libon.
Oo. And Mr. Clutch is being tested in the free throw line in this high-pressured ball game.
Everybody's cheering.
Reynancia making the first one.
If he makes this one, this will seal the deal for Team Libon.
And he makes it. Ba't pa nag-foul doon si Casil?
That's a good foul. That's a good foul actually. If you were me, that's a good foul on part of Casil. Pwede mo na rin ma-stop yung plano nila na mag-fast break. And right now, babalik naman sa iyo yung bola. Pero definitely, you have to secure that rebound dito kung mamintis ni Aspe to kasi imimintis niya ang last free throw na yan para makabalik sa kanila ang bola. So again, yung foul na yun na ginawa ni Casil, it may be wrong, it may be good for them, pero let's see what will going to happen in this next sequence.
Okay, so we will see if that foul will really benefit their team. And right now, Aspe is now
This is
a
a
pressure free throw shot. Missing the first one.
And that's it. This will be it. Again, this will be it. This will be so hard. Even if you miss this free throw.
Mahirap na. Pero anything can happen pa rin, as we say. Wala talaga. And yun na. That's it. That's it for this game.
Look at this crowd roar!
Yes.
What a ball game!
What another epic ball game we had with LIBON being inside the court with DARAGA. Almost a win for them, but they came short.
This is a very fun and exciting game. Nakita naman natin kung gaano kaganda ang laro netong binigay sa atin again ng Team LIBON. Very interesting because we're going to see a lot more from Ako Bicol Cup, just games like this.
Shout out kay parang Ray. Ray Maso, nandito pala. So this is going to be the final score. LIBON winning with 90 points. DARAGA 86. What a ball game! Napapasabay pa tayo.
What a really nice ball game. Again, I give the credit to this resilient Team LIBON. Nagkakapalitan lang sila pero pinakitaan nila tayo ng different taste of a basketball. Kasi ngayon, hindi sila naghahabol eh. Sila yung hinahabol. Pero definitely they contain this powerhouse team DARAGA and winning big time dito sa ating Sweet 6 Warfare.
And eto na, pupuntahan na natin in just a few more seconds itong ating kasama sa courtside na si Carmela para sa ating Congressman Saldico Kasurug Player of the Game. Carmela, she's not
Kasama
ready.
naman natin ang Kasurug Player of the Game. Walang iba kundi si Christian Daguro, scoring 25 points, 6 rebounds, 12 assists, and 6 steals. So Christian, what a game for you. Ano ba yung naging motivation mo behind that very fascinating performance?
Siguro yung naging motivation ko, nandyan yung family ko, nandyan yung baby ko, tsaka yung girlfriend ko. At saka grabe rin yung puso na pinakita namin. Lalo na si Reynancia, si Casil ng first quarter, si Reynancia na itong second half. Grabe rin, nagtulong-tulong din kami para makuha namin itong panalang to. Nandun talaga yung hard work namin.
Meron ka bang gusto kong pasalamatan o batiin? Batiin mo na.
Pinapasalamatan ko yung mga supporters ng LIBON, si Mayor Das, yung family ko sa Pandakan, lahat binabati ko sa Bulacan, family ko ulit. Yung mother ko, binabati kong last game, di ko nabati. Sorry. Love you, Mami.
Thank you, Christian. And once again, congratulations. Balik sa inyo, Coach Kyle and Coach Morgs.
Maraming salamat, beautiful Carmela.
What a performance once more to Christian Daguro.
Yes.
Pero dito, siya ang mananaig sa Daguro and Aspe match-up. Pero again,
who knows?
Wala pa, hindi pa, nasa unang part pa lang tayo ng ating second round of our Ako Bicol Cup. More will come to you, especially tomorrow.
Yes, thank you so much, Coach Kyle. And yun na nga po, sa ngalan po ng ating mga kasama dito sa panel, sa technical side with Boss Christian Calleja and Paul at lahat-lahat. And also, syempre sa ating Commissioner Lloyd Rivera at mga kasama sa organizing committee, ang Ako Bicol Party List. Sa ngalan po ng ating mahal na Congressman Saldico at lahat-lahat na po. Maraming thank you po sa inyong lahat na mga nanood ng ating ball game ngayong unang araw ng ating quarterfinals Sweet 6 Warfare. Diyan po nagtatapos ang ating game day for today. Maraming salamat. Ito po ang inyong Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Atin to. Ito po si Kapa Morgan. Magbabalik sa mga susunod na araw.
ay inko, oh inko, inko, inko.